Hi, welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm here in the heart of downtown Kingston at the Coronation Market. It's a brand new year, which can only mean brand new prices. And with cost of living on the high, we're here at the market today to find out the prices of the produce you'll be needing this week. I have a budget of $3,000, so we're gonna see how far we can stretch it and whether or not we can fill our market bag. Let's go shopping. Hi Richard,
Hi.
How was the holiday and how was the New Year been
It was
so far?
okay, you know, and awake with life, so give thanks for that.
How's the New Year been so far?
Well, so far, it's alright in my corner, but for the rest of Jamaica, you know, so alright.
Can you tell me what are some of the factors impacting the prices of produce in the market this week?
Production level in our farm, and then production level, things are go down, so the price them will go. So certain things short, garlic, cabbage short, the price gone up 500. Onion a short, so it gone up $20 again. String beans scarce, so it gone up sky high. And so when things get short, the price go up. So that's a factor right now.
So that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.